Thousands of fans went to War Memorial for the high school championships. It's hard to estimate how many have been since the stadium opened in 1948, but beyond the game tonight, no one's watched more at War Memorial than the woman who's worked inside it for decades. If War Memorial could talk, it would probably sound like this voice.
Stadium office.
The same voice that's welcomed War Memorial fans for 45 years.
I answer the phone, and they're all calling, how much are the tickets?
Since 1970, Nancy Toland has worked the stadium's front desk. That means the only stadium staple that's seen more than Nancy is the stadium itself.
I've seen a lot.
She's seen the stadium's heyday.
Just neat things that, has happened here.
When there were 4 Razorback games a year.
I've met almost all the coaches.
So many times they talk about the great games.
Lou Holtz was a neat person, and Frank Broyles and I've got some stories on him. And I can remember the night when the Eagles were here, the moon was full, and I went up on the old press deck and stood out there, and it just, to see the people, it just gives you, and I was down on the field when LSU scored right there in front of me and things like that I'll always remember.
But as the stadium ages, so too has Nancy.
I know what it is. It's the ribbons we used to use on the typewriters, smart Aleck.
A little.
That's a correct type, yeah. But I never did use much of that because I didn't make very many mistakes.
So if this stadium could speak, what would it say?
I'm still kicking.
There's still a lot left in the tank for both of them. Yeah, she shows no signs of slowing down. She's going to kill me for saying this on air, by the way, but she is 80 years young as of just a few weeks ago. Is that incredible? And still going strong.
And what an incredible story. And I just have to point out that it reminded me of my grandmother who turned 80 today.